Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video I'm going to show you a difference between the iPad and the desktop version of Illustrator concerning the Pathfinder operations of combining objects. So we're going to start on the iPad, and I have this leaf prepared, and what I want to do is subtract the light green objects from the dark green one. In order to do that, I'm just selecting them and go to the combination tab and then tap on subtract the front objects, like so. And you see this is a live operation, so the shapes are still there, and I could just revert that by ungrouping it down there. Or if I want to really commit that, I need to get into the combination tab again and convert it to path. But I don't want to do that because I want to show you the difference between how the iPad does it and how the desktop does it. So I'm going to open this on the desktop version now to compare. So we are on the desktop version now, and there is my file from the Creative Cloud, and I'm just going to open it here, like so. There it is. And now we can compare it to how the desktop version would do that. And for that, I'm going to paste into this file these shapes as base shapes again. So there are all the base shapes, and in order to do the same on the desktop version, I'm going to select them all and then go to Window Pathfinder and click on Subtract. And in order to make this a live operation, I have to hold the Alt key or Option on the Mac and then click on Subtract. So you see all the shapes are still there. This is a live object, and they both look the same, but they are not the same. So let's take a look at them. The first thing we can do is just select them, and in the control panel to the left, we see that this is a compound shape, and this one is a group. Let's go to the Layers panel. And in the Layers panel, we have the compound shape that I have created on the desktop and the group that I have created on the iPad. And let's look inside. So this is basically the same. There are all the base shapes in there, but inside the group, they have fill colors applied, and inside the compound shape, they have not. And also we see that the group has some special appearance applied. So let's take a look at that. The group is still selected, so let's go to Window, Appearance, and what we see is Subtract up here, which is the Pathfinder effect Subtract, which you find up there, Effect Pathfinder Subtract. And when we're selecting the compound shape, then you see there's nothing in the appearance panel. So this on the desktop, it's made by using a compound shape, and on the iPad it's a group. And in order to commit that now with this shape, you have to go to Window Pathfinder, and there you can expand it. And with this one, since it has an appearance applied, you would have to go to Object and Expand Appearance in order to commit that. Or you can, of course, do it on the iPad. But once you have transferred it to the desktop, you have to go the other route. That's an interesting difference between the two versions, and it might be slightly irritating, so now you know how to solve it. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.